Welcome! This student account how-to video will explain how to obtain an account itemization from the My Ohio Student Center and the Authorized User Portal. The account itemization summarizes student account activity that occurs during a semester. It reflects all tuition charges, applied payments, dispersed and pending financial aid, miscellaneous account charges, and finally, course and credit hour enrollment. The account itemization can be viewed online, and it can also be downloaded or printed on Ohio University letterhead. This document can be used for tuition reimbursement submissions, financial aid and scholarship applications, identifying remitted payments, and other personal needs. Students access the account itemization through their My Ohio Student Center under the Finance section by clicking on the Account Itemization link. Select the appropriate term from the drop-down menu. By default, the account itemization will display transactions in date order. The display account summary and the display pending financial aid boxes are optional. By checking the display activity summary box, the account itemization will summarize like transactions by removing the dates. Check the display pending financial aid box to show any financial aid that has not yet dispersed to the student account for the selected term. Click Go to generate the account itemization. The account itemization can be viewed online as shown. It can be downloaded or printed on Ohio University letterhead by clicking on the printer-friendly version link. Here's an example of a downloaded or printed account itemization on Ohio University letterhead. The account itemization can also be viewed on the Authorized User Portal by clicking on the account itemization link on the left side menu. Select the appropriate term from the drop-down menu. The itemization will appear once the term is selected. The display activity summary and display pending financial aid boxes are optional. By checking the display activity summary box, the account itemization will summarize like transactions by removing the dates. Check the display pending financial aid box to show any financial aid that has yet to disperse to the student account for the selected term. The account itemization can be viewed online. By clicking the printer-friendly version link, you can generate a printable PDF on Ohio University letterhead. Thank you for watching Ohio University's how-to video on obtaining an account itemization from the My Ohio Student Center or from the Authorized User Portal.